Hello friends, I'm Nitin Rao. First of all, I would like to thank you for visiting this video. Uh, Job losses have always been there. Probably we are hearing about it now because of the corona pandemic. But even earlier, if you remember, in 2008, we had the financial crash where the stock exchange had gone down to 7,000. We also had instances like Jet Airways, where a lot of people lost their jobs. So job losses have been happening. The reasons could be anything like economic reasons, the company failing, people can't get along with their bosses, there's a lot of toxic environment, or you just burn out. So job losses have been there. The first thing when anyone has a job loss, they should ensure that they should not get into this why me mode. Why has it happened to me only? Everyone else has a job. Never get into that. And if you get into it, snap out of it as fast as possible. Because in the long run, it does more damage than good. Then there are certain things you have to do. It's a very practical way of thinking that I'm going to tell you just now. Number one is, if you have a home loan or a personal loan where the EMIs are, every month you have to pay the installment, visit your home loan company and ask them for a moratorium of at least 6 months, because you'll have some cash in hand. Second, if you have goal-based SIPs or your insurance payments to be done, you can talk with the agents and see if you can do something. For mutual funds, yeah, you can redeem that amount and keep it in your bank so that there is some liquidity, because you never know when you're going to get your job. It could be immediately, or it could just go on. So about your insurance payment, really I don't think so much can be done. So you will have to make arrangements for if you know when the EMI, when the premium payment time is going to come, and you should make arrangements for that amount of money. Then most important is get your CV done and update your CV, send your CV across. Now what happens in such situations is, you throw around your CV, you send it by mail to n number of recruitment agencies and recruitment agents, but you never get a response. You have to be very lucky that if you get a response, because it normally takes months. So I would suggest, if you know someone in the recruitment or in the HR, try and get a video chat with that person. The success rate would be much higher than just sending CVs and waiting for something to happen. So do that. Try and get a video chat with the HR or the recruitment agent. Now the fourth point, which I think you can do it immediately as soon as there is a job loss, is get into or join a network marketing company. The advantages of network marketing is, probably the income can start immediately. Number two, you will meet new people and you will feel better. And you feel better when you talk with people. But when you're just sitting home sending CVs and you're just talking about how to get a job, it is better that you talk something else. And network marketing can help you in that. And network marketing is actually, if you understand the concept, it is very simple. And which other earning activity is there where you really have very low investment and absolutely no risk, no infrastructure, no manpower. And the best part is, tomorrow if you get a job, you can always continue with your network marketing, right? You don't have to forget it. You do it along with your job, do it after office hours, do it during the weekends. So network marketing it will be a boon, so network marketing will be a boon. It will be a help in disguise, because if network marketing can help you even after your retirement, you will get a lump sum amount of money but the income, regular income, will be flowing because of network marketing. Now, if you're not associated with any network marketing, please get in touch on the email mentioned below, or you can look into description of the video. I have mentioned my landing page, link of my landing page. You can just fill in your email ID and I will get in touch with you. You can also get in touch with me on Instagram and Facebook. Request you to subscribe to my channel, share and like the video. Before ending, I would like to quote Martin Luther King, where he said, "If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. Do anything but move ahead." So if you have gone through a job loss, it happens. It happens to many people. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. So till the next video, bye. See you soon.